Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami dragon that is easy and realistic at the same time. All you're going to need is one paper square. In this video I'll use 25 by 25 centimeters, 10 by 10 inches. And now our first step is to fold in half, first vertically and then horizontally, dividing the paper into 4 squares. First bring the right side to the left and make a crease. Then undo and fold the bottom side up, making the second crease. Having done that, turn the paper over and fold in half along both diagonals, like a letter X. Just bring one corner to the other and make it really sharp. Now fold the opposite. Unfold and turn the paper over. And using the creases we just did, close by bringing the 4 sides to the center, closing like a triangle. Now for the next step, let's bring the diagonal edge to the middle, creating a new diagonal fold. As always, make it really sharp. Unfold. Now open the same flap and flatten the paper, shaping like this. It will automatically assume that form with the creases we just did. Right, keep it that way and turn the paper over. Now repeat on the other side, just bring the diagonal to the middle and open, flatten and reinforce. Now to make a guide, just for orientation, let's make a small mark here on the base of the other 2 flaps, the other 2 sides. Now bring the corner to this mark. Again, you don't have to fold completely. Now using the last mark as a guide, as orientation, we need to fold the top corner down, folding the larger triangle in half. Just bring down like this. And now make it really sharp, fold strongly. Keep it folded and open only the bottom side. Reinforce again. Rotate. We need to bring the right side down, keeping edge over edge. Just bring the corner down like that, align with the base, hold, and make a crease. Then undo, and repeat the same step but now folding up. Now using both creases, close this part and keep the new flap, the new triangle, up. Repeat the same steps on the other side. First fold down, then up, and finally close. Now in this position, close using the middle crease, folding the top side behind the bottom side. Reinforce a little bit. Now pay close attention for the next steps. First, on the right side, on the triangular part, we need to bring the diagonal edge to the vertical on the left, dividing this triangular space in half. Just bring the edges together and make a diagonal crease. Repeat the same on the remaining part, edge over edge. The steps for this side are done for now. So close the paper, reinforce a little bit, and repeat the same on the other side. Bring the edges together on the larger part first, and complete the fold on the other side. So both two on this half are done. Let's do the same on the other half. Just bring the diagonals together, Okay, the same steps are done on the four sides. Now for the next step, first we have to open the middle flap and fold a new diagonal that connects the top to the bottom corner. To do that, you just have to bring the paper to the side, like this, then make a crease, connecting the points, undo, and the step is done. Do the same on the other side. Close the middle flap again, now using the new two creases. And bring it to the longest side, the side with most paper. This one here. Turn it over and repeat on the other side. First make the two diagonals, then close and bring to the side. Now we have the beginning of the wings of the dragon. Starting on the right side, bring the corner to the left as much as you can. If you have done right, will be a vertical crease. Now in the same space, bring the edges together, folding in half. Now we have a little left over below. Let's turn it over and do the same on the other side. First bring the small flap to the side. Then fold it in half. bring the wings forward first. To make the other two is slightly different. Bring the corner to the side. Now undo, so bring back. And now fold in half as before. Bring the edge to the vertical crease. With this, the fade out to the same direction. Repeat on the last one. And bring the wings back. Let's make the neck. We need to reverse the front flap. Just open a little bit. Bring the middle crease up. And close on the opposite direction. This is the result. Now we need to make it thinner. So, as we did just before, we have to bring the edges together, first on the larger side, then complete the fold on the smaller side. And finally close, flattening the paper. The other side as well. Just open, bring the edges together until you complete the fold. The neck is ready. To make the head, reverse again, now bringing the paper down a little bit forward, creating some angle. Reverse again, now to the opposite direction, giving to the dragon a horn. You can make the variations you want, but once done, for making it more realistic, we can reverse the corner on the front feet, the one that is left, obviously we have to repeat on the other side, exactly the same. And finally we can bend the feet forward, leaving it with a smoother appearance, but it's your choice, you don't have to do it if you don't wanna. Anyway, to do that, take the corner with your fingers and flatten it by bending it forward. Repeat the same on the other three. Finishing this is more or less the result, and our origami dragon is ready! If you make some variations you can achieve even better results, like this green dragon that I did, which in my opinion is much better. If you're able to do, congratulations! If you liked this video, remember to click like, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, see you next time.